National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for eastern Pawnee County, northeastern Oklahoma, until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 3 miles north of Hallett, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado, and quarter-size hail. Source, radar-indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Hallett, Osage. Instructions: take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.